Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open Upwork and go to Settings, then select Get Paid from the menu. Choose Add a Payment Method and pick PayPal from the list of options. Enter the exact PayPal email, address you use, and double-check spelling for match. Confirm the address when Upwork sends the verification notification to your PayPal inbox. Finally, set PayPal as your default payout method if you want immediate transfers after invoices clear. Before linking, confirm your PayPal email and verify your PayPal account status. Link a confirmed bank or card to your PayPal account if PayPal requires it for withdrawals. Enable two-step authentication on both Upwork and PayPal to protect payments and account access. Use only one PayPal account per Upwork profile to avoid rejected payouts. Complete any required identity checks on both platforms promptly when you request a withdrawal. Upwork sends funds to PayPal immediately after release. PayPal typically processes received payouts within 24 hours, but times can vary by country. Complete required tax forms such as Form W-9 or Form W-8BEN on Upwork if you meet reporting thresholds. Review PayPal and Upwork notifications for fees, holds, or disputes that might affect timing. Keep a backup payout method available in case PayPal suspends transactions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.